If you're trying to use your iPhone and continuity camera in a web browser, especially for online recordings, you might be having some issues. We're going to go over how to fix continuity camera in Google Chrome, Brave, and Microsoft Edge so you can use your iPhone as a webcam with your Mac. First, let's cover Google Chrome. If you're trying to use continuity camera here as the video input, it's not showing up a lot of times when you first open Chrome after updating to macOS Ventura. In order to fix this, hit the three dots in Google Chrome and go to Settings. From here, go to Privacy and Security, and then Site Settings. Scroll down until you see Camera. When you click Camera, you'll see up here you have the choice of different cameras, but most likely your iPhone is not showing up, even if continuity camera is working in other applications. To get it to appear, open another application where you can use your iPhone as a camera, like QuickTime or FaceTime. Let's open FaceTime real quick so we can get the iPhone connected. Click up here in the video menu and then select your iPhone from the camera menu. Now you're going to have to restart Google Chrome to get it to appear. So quit Google Chrome. You might also need to restart your computer during this process. Let's go back to the three dots, go to Settings, once again to Privacy and Security, Site Settings, scroll down to Camera, and then your iPhone should appear as a camera option in this menu. If you still can't get your iPhone to appear in that menu, you might want to try the Google Chrome Beta. You can go to google.com/chrome/beta, download the beta version of the software. Beta software is usually untested and could be a little less stable than the official release, but using the Chrome Beta may allow you to access your iPhone when the normal version of Chrome cannot. But if you're trying to record with Riverside or other online video applications, you can use Brave and Microsoft Edge and continuity camera will work seamlessly. Here, opening Riverside in the Brave web browser, you can automatically choose your iPhone microphone and camera directly in the interface. No privacy or settings adjustments are required. Even after I enter the studio, you can see here in the right-hand sidebar that my iPhone 14 Pro is being used as the camera right here in Riverside. Another good option is Microsoft Edge. Now, if you're having trouble opening Microsoft Edge on your Mac that has just been updated to macOS Ventura, you might need to try the Microsoft Edge Insider channel. This is their beta software program. Here in the Edge beta channel, if I go to one of my Riverside studios, you'll see that I'll be able to connect my iPhone camera via continuity camera with no issue. If you're still having trouble using continuity camera, make sure you've updated your iPhone to 16.1 and your Mac is on macOS Ventura. Also, continuity camera is only compatible with iPhone XR and newer. If you have an iPhone 10 or older, it will not work with continuity camera. Also, make sure both devices, your iPhone and Mac, are logged into the same iCloud account. Managed iCloud accounts that you might receive from a business will not work with continuity camera. Also, make sure to have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi turned on both devices. And if your iPhone is still having trouble, go to the Settings app on your iPhone, General, and then AirPlay and Handoff. Scroll to the bottom and make sure continuity camera toggle is on. Finally, make sure your Mac is not using AirPlay or Sidecar while you're trying to use continuity camera. And if you're still having issues, try connecting your iPhone to your Mac with a cable. When you connect it to your Mac, you'll see a pop-up asking you to trust the device. Make sure you trust the device on your Mac, and you should be able to use it wired that way. You also can't be hotspotting with your iPhone and use continuity at the same time. So if you're hotspotting to your laptop or other computer, continuity camera will not enable. If after trying all those steps you still can't get continuity camera to work, leave a comment below with your Mac and iPhone model. We'll try and help you troubleshoot that. And also subscribe to the Riverside channel. We have lots of content both on continuity camera and podcasting as a whole. We're going to review the little Belkin iPhone webcam MagSafe mount very soon. And if you'd like to learn more about video podcasts and other equipment, check out the playlist in the video description. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you next time.